How to Write Half Equations for the Formation of Anions by KayScience.com. The mass number of fluorine is 19 and the atomic number is 9. So a fluorine atom has 9 protons, 9 electrons and 10 neutrons. This electronic configuration of fluorine shows how fluorine has 7 electrons in its outer shell. Therefore, it is in group 7. This fluorine atom is unstable as it does not have a full outer shell of electrons. So to become stable, it gains 1 electron. The orange electron represents how the fluorine atom has gained 1 electron to become a fluoride anion. To show how the fluorine atom has gained 1 electron, we write plus next to the atom and then the electron. This shows how the fluorine atom has gained 1 electron to become a fluoride anion. We can use a half equation to show how the fluorine atom has become a fluoride anion. You should already know from having watched a video about how to write half equations for the formation of cations that the rules to writing half equations are: they must have the same elements on both sides, they must have the same number of atoms on both sides, and they must have the same charge on both sides. The half equation is F, which represents the fluorine atom, plus E minus, which represents the electron being gained, forms F minus, which represents the fluoride anion. Using the rules to check if the half equation is correct, we can see there is a fluorine atom on the left and a fluoride anion on the right. We can see how there is 1 fluorine atom on the left, so we write 1, and there is 1 fluoride anion on the right, so we write 1 here as well. Now looking at the charge, we can see the electron gives the charge of -1 on the left, and the charge on the right is also -1 due to the fluoride anion. The charge is balanced on both sides, -1 on the left and -1 on the right. Let's now focus on oxygen. Oxygen is a non-metal just like fluorine, so it will gain electrons to have a full outer shell. Oxygen has a mass number of 16 and an atomic number of 8, so it has 8 protons, 8 electrons, and 8 neutrons. This oxygen atom does not have a full outer shell, so is unstable. To become stable, it needs to gain 2 electrons. To show how this oxygen atom has gained 2 electrons, I'm drawing the outer shell only. The blue electrons represent the original electrons in the oxygen atom, and the 2 orange electrons represent the 2 electrons gained for the oxygen atom to have a full outer shell. As this oxygen atom has become an oxide anion, we draw square brackets around the oxide anion and 2- to show the charge is 2-. As the oxygen atom has gained 2 electrons, we write a plus sign next to the oxygen atom and then 2 electrons to represent the 2 electrons gained. We can show what's happened to the oxygen atom by using a half equation. The O represents the oxygen atom, the plus shows how the oxygen atom has gained electrons represented by the E, and then we write a 2 to show how 2 electrons have been gained, and then the arrow to show something has happened, and then O2- as the charge on the oxide ion is 2-. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to use this information about nitrogen to write a half equation to show how a nitrogen atom becomes an anion. The half equation shows how the nitrogen atom has gained 3 electrons to become a nitrogen anion with a charge of 3-. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.